If you do this, it will grow very fast. Long hair is one of the many characteristics that define women, and is even part of the system that protects our body against damage. But today, the issue of growth and hair loss not only affects men, it also affects women. Both men and women are not willing to exhibit poor hair and without any appeal. This time we bring a simple, but powerful, treatment or home remedy that promises to remedy hair loss problems faster than we imagined. This is the best treatment for hair growth of all time, because it will return the hair that never had, or that for some reason was losing. But first let's look at the most common causes why our hair falls out. It is very important to take care of what we eat, since it is directly related to this problem and to any other health problem. The taking of some medications causes the involuntary hair loss. Age is also a very important factor, and as time passes, it is very noticeable in our hair, as in other parts of the body. Without more to say, I share this remedy. When you use it, you will hallucinate, as the hair will not stop growing. You will see. Ingredients: 1. 4 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. 2. 7 tablespoons of honey. 3. 7 tablespoons of olive oil. Preparation: 1. Let's put the olive oil in a bain-marie, let it heat up. 2. Then we add the rest of the ingredients and mix very well. 3. When it is warm, we will apply it on all our scalp, and we will let it act with a plastic cap or sleeve for an hour. 4. To see the results faster, you can do a 2 to